Louisville, Kentucky, where I'll be making some of the best soul food in town at LuCretia's Kitchen with chef owner LuCretia Thompson. Her recipes are known all over the city, but I'm most excited about making her famous fried chicken. Let's get in the kitchen and start cooking.
Hey y'all!
She already knows. I am so excited to be frying chicken and making all kinds of things with you today. We're gonna just go ahead and jump right into the fried chicken, and then we'll get some story a little bit later.
Deal. Whoop, whoop.
Chicken's washed, it's ready to go. What do we do next?
What we do next is put our famous seasoning on it. So we're gonna take a little bit of garlic here.
Pour it all?
Yep, no, just a little bit.
Just a little bit,
Just
like this.
a little bit. And take our famous house seasoning.
I'm not gonna ask what's your
Okay,
secret.
that is the secret. We got some pepper going on, and we're gonna take this baby and we're gonna just mix it. There we go. It's all about in the rub.
That's how you get good meat. Barbecue, fried chicken, you gotta rub it down. A fried turkey.
All
Do you
right.
put anything in your flour mix, or is it a secret?
You can kind of see a little bit of it, but it's a secret that goes in there.
Seasoned here, special secret LuCretia ingredients.
There you go.
Have you been fried chicken your whole life?
Well, actually, since I was probably about 13 years old, everybody used to come to our house for fried chicken every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We didn't have chicken in our refrigerator, freezer, like outside in the refrigerator, I tell you. But everybody came to our house for some fried chicken every weekend.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I wish I was friends with you then, because I would have been over there too.
I tell you, there we go. We're gonna take it, and we're gonna put some over here in our batter.
I love this. This is like no frills fried chicken. You don't do a double dredge or anything?
I don't do a double dredge. The juice that's in there with all the seasoning, it's just marinating. There you go. Drop it in there. Woo, that's what I'm talking about.
You grew up cooking with your mom, with your grandparents. Your grandfather took you to the farmer's market.
Yes.
So he had a famous barbecue place in Louisville.
Yes, he did. It was called Mr. Thompson's Barbecue. It's a book out. It's called Where to Eat in America. And we were rated #1, the best barbecue nationwide. People heard liquid gold, they was expecting for it to be yellow.
Yeah, like mustard.
Like mustard, and
Yeah.
it's like, no, it's like Fort Knox. Like, this is something you keep under lock and key.
I cannot wait
All right,
to
cool.
dig in.
Me too, and I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Me too.
All right. When it comes to knowing when this chicken is done, we've timed it, of course.
Yes.
We know, but honestly, it's in the hands, it's the weight.
Gosh, this is so pretty.
Ow.
It's the perfect color. Look at that. You're so proud of it too. You're just looking at it like it's your baby.
Hey y'all.
LuCretia's Kitchen fried chicken.
One thing that LuCretia has brought to the community is fresh vegetables, and just a home feel. My grandfather used to say, he said, honey, he said, no matter where you set up, people will come. So here we are.
Okay, we've been looking at it long enough.
Whew,
It's time to eat it.
Let's go for it.
All right, I'm going for a thigh. What are you going for?
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go for the chicken wing. That right there is calling my name.
Oh my word. It's so juicy.
I'm gonna turn around.
You wanna dance? I'm gonna turn around too. Why not?
All right. Well, let's crunch at the same time.
One,
All
two,
right.
three. Oh yeah. I could sit here and eat this whole plate and be sick. But I know you do a lot more than fried chicken.
Yes, we do.
All right, the sides are finishing up cooking. You gotta have cornbread with fried chicken.
Gotta have cornbread with some fried chicken. It's already hot out the oven. Ooh, we're gonna take some butter. Look, not margarine, but some butter.
It is butter. Do you put
That's
sugar
it.
in your cornbread?
No, we don't. We actually use waffle mix.
Okay.
Okay.
That's smart.
You know, that little sweetness. You like the corner piece, the middle piece?
I like a middle edge.
A middle edge. Ooh, there you go.
Looks good.
I like the corner. What you think?
That's good.
That's good, huh?
You think the sides are ready? Should we plate them up?
We should go ahead and plate them up.
Let's do it. I'm gonna keep on with this cornbread. You brought in a special guest to plate it all up.
I did. You know what? I brought in the secret recipe. My mom. So this liquid gold barbecue sauce that she's gonna be showing you.
She's the one where we got it from.
She's
Well, my mom, she taught me. And that's how I got it. You know, I paid attention.
What do? Do you put it straight on these ribs?
It's good on everything, even potato chips. Yeah.
Here's that famous liquid gold. Woo.
Oh, that sounds and smells so
I
good. It's
know.
like
You
the
hear the little
cracked
crisp
skin
on top?
and then,
Yes.
So you want yours dipped?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
How do you eat yours?
It depends.
Maybe I want one of each.
And one
There
of
you
the-
go.
I think that's what you want. I think
Yes.
that's what you
We've been talking about this all day.
want. Okay.
I know it's gonna be good. Oh.
That's it right there. Yes.
Oh my word. That is so good, y'all. That looks good too. Really creamy. Oh, you're a pro.
Yeah.
You've done that a time or two.
Yes, I have.
Yes, look at that. That's a plate.
Yeah, that's a plate.
Miss Sheila, I thank you for making this wonderful human right here.
Thank
We got to
the
have this
Lord.
fried chicken. She got it all from you. Everyone should come to LuCretia's.
Everybody
Yes.
is a must-see.
Yes.
Must see,
A
A
must
must-see,
taste.
must-taste.
But I am ready to take all this
All right. Well,
outside with my liquid gold.
and guess what you need?
A fork.
Woo.
Yes, ma'am.
There you
Okay.
go.
This is it. Thank
All right,
you.
that's it. All right, thank you.
All right.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all. Cooking with LuCretia and Miss Sheila was so much fun, but I cannot wait to dig into this food. Seriously, it's some of the best soul food I have ever had. If you have another soul food spot that cannot be missed, I would love to read about it in the comments. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. If you're watching on YouTube, click the bell so you never miss an episode of Hey Y'all. I'm digging in. As LuCretia would say, bye y'all.